Hi there, this is our die Wingfolder. This one's in really good condition. It's been looked after and hasn't done much work in its lifetime. It's very tidy. Used to be manufactured once upon a time, but were quite expensive to manufacture and you don't see them today. They're a cross between a press brake, so you've got your big press brake top tooling here, and a folder, except on these ones they've got a wing folder, so they fold up both ways, the front, which you will see, and the very back at the same time. They've got lots of advantages, and one of the main ones is that when you're doing a box setup, you know, you've got this very narrow top beam here, which enables you to do your tight 90s, etc., like you can on a press brake. But you don't have to worry about the V's that you do have to in regards to your sizes like you do on a press brake. And you can also do quite big radiuses on them if you want to. I think up to 50mm radius, and I think the way that they achieve that is by keeping the back wing in its present position, so this beam can pinch your sheet metal, and then lowering the front beam that you're seeing so it comes up very late to achieve quite a large radius. You've got your hydraulic power pack here, which operates a hydraulic over mechanical swing of both those the wing folders, and then you've got a hydraulic motor up here with an electrical valve system that controls the rise and fall of the beam, and some chain pulleys to go to the other end. If they ever get out of balance, there's a locking nut and a big bits and pieces up at either end to correct any balance over time. You've got a great feature on them in regards to how far up and down this thing goes. You can adjust how far it goes up by this threaded rod, and then in regards to setting how far it goes down and your pinch depth or height, basically you've got a magnet down here and a wee piece of sample steel. In this case it's some thin sheet metal, and the magnet holds it there and sets its pinch height. So for instance, if you take it up, you can take that off and then put a piece of 5mm in there, which automatically sets your pinch height to save you having to do any adjustments. You've got this adjustment here and a wee scale which sets how far these swing up in regards to setting the angle that you want to bend to. So as I say, front and rear, this one hasn't done very much work. I'll start it up. It's got a star delta setup. It's a manual one, so you'll have it in a start position and start it and then switch it over to run. So away we go. That's on start, and I've manually switched it to run. So in regards to the up and down on this, you've got the push button here, and that's taking it up and hitting at the stop there, so I haven't got it going up much. Here's your magnet with your piece of steel, and you would grab a different thickness from here and just stick it under that magnet, and that would set your pinch there in regards to how far it comes down. So that's the down, and also you've got an emergency stop there as well. So that's come down and pinched, and then in regards to going up, there it is going right up there. Now they go right up, as you can see, so I think you've got about 30 degrees there, so they can do a very sharp angle. And then the down. So you've got good control over that. You can go slow, where I am now, slower, that's coming up very slowly, or fast. It's got a nice quick action. So if I undo that lock, I can set that there so the angle doesn't come up as much. So there it is there, it's kicked out at that angle. It's reasonably quick. There it is again. Change that angle. And that's pretty much its operation. I can take that up there and down and do your fold. So the other wings coming up at the same time, which you won't be able to see. So there it is. It's a really good system that does comprise both of the press brake top setup there and the advantages of that, and then your wing folding setup of your folding system there too. It's really tidy and ticks over nicely.